Okay, now that we have two sources, we want to start taking some notes. So we're going to use the note card section of Noodletools to do that. So we're going to first open the article that I want to take notes in, and that's very easy within Noodletools because we have these little boxes that take us right to the article itself, take right back to the article. And so this is the Proud to Be a Mill Girl article, and we're going to just flip back and forth between our Noodletools and our article like we did before. So we're going to go to the note card section, and we're going to go over to add new note card, the green button. And the first thing that I always do is select the source. And just as I read before, we had two, but it is the Proud to Be a Mill Girl article that we are taking the notes on. And we're going to come back to the title after we go ahead and with our quote. So each one of these boxes tells you, if you tap into it and then you forget what the directions said, you can always hover over it to give us the clues as to what should go in here. So I am going to take a direct quote from the article, and I just read briefly through it, but I'm going to take this first section of the fourth paragraph. I really liked the way that it was worded, so I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my Noodletools, and I'm going to paste it. And what I should do now is to paraphrase that quote. Even though I'm going to paraphrase it, I still have to make sure I cite it. So so that you wouldn't have to wait while I typed it out, I went ahead and just typed it out roughly on a separate document. And so my interpretation of that is the owners of the Lowell textile mills sought out hard-working farm girls to operate their mills. They did not anticipate the many ways their work ethic would affect the running of the mills. And then I had some thoughts about that, some questions that I had. I always end up with some questions that that I end up thinking about after I read the article, either in its entirety or even sections of it. And they kind of guide me to other articles, or just in what to look for as I move along in the research process. So the questions I ended up with were, I wonder the average age of the girls that worked in the mills. Did they come without their families? And what were their living conditions like? So now that I have that all in, and again, you take a little bit longer as you're doing it. I'm doing it rather quickly so that so that the demonstration is not so long and drawn out, but you'll get the idea. And I'm going to title this now Background. And then I'm going to save and close it. And you can see that we come back to the note card tabletop visual, and we can do different things with it. So there are three dots in the corner that say we can rename it, we can pin it, we can delete it. Pinning we'll talk about later. Renaming it I'm not going to do right now because I already gave it a name. I can color code it. I'm going to hold off on that as I write more note cards. I can add a cue. All of these cues might mean something different. So here I'm going to say needs further research. That's a little cue to myself to let me know that I have more research to do in that area. I can apply a tag, I can add a link, and I can add it to a pile, which comes in when you have more note cards. And that is how you create a note card.